Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to cancel iQIYI subscription. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To cancel your iQIYI subscription, what you need to do is head over and open up your settings. Then once you're inside your settings, on the top you'll be seeing your Apple ID name. Simply tap on that, and once you're inside your Apple account, you'll be provided with bunch of options like personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, and lastly you'll find subscription options. Simply select that. Now once you're inside your subscriptions, what you need to do is go to the list and then find the iQIYI subscription and then select it. Now once you're inside there, on the bottom of the subscription you'll be seeing the cancel this subscription option highlighted in red letters. Simply select that, and then once you do that, you'll be prompted with a small prompt box asking you to confirm your cancellation. Simply tap on confirm to begin your cancellation process. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.